Hey lovelies! Welcome to Lovely Sales Vlog. So for today's video is we're going to unbox Carrier Aura Inverter. So mag-unbox me of aircon. So this is aircon. This aircon, it has 1.0 HP window room air conditioner, and it is an environment friendly refrigerant, remote control, low electricity consumption, 8-in-1 air filter, 5 years compressor warranty, 24/7 customer service. Yeah, that's all. Ayun, tara. It has a manual head. And then it has a remote control. You can see it's big, no? So we didn't expect nga kanang dako dai siya. So dito na namo nakakunan nga pag-testing na sa aircon. Dito na namo nakita ng aircon nga dako dai siya. So this is the manual. This aircon has a remote control. So first is the owner's manual. So this is the owner's manual. Second is the remote control. Show them the remote control. So this is the remote control. So third is the ceiling gasket. So nara siguro siya diri. So dili na lang na may paggawas. Next is the screw truss head. Next is nut hex 1/4. Next is washer lock and 4. Screws for the mounting bracket. Next is mounting bracket. Next is screws for the drain pan. Next is drain pan, and the last is AAA battery. So it has the fan mode, up and down switch, and on and off, and then timer, and then swing. So this up and down button means up means to increase the temperature setting. Next is this down button. Down means to decrease the temperature setting. Mode means mode button. The air conditioner can be put in 3 operating modes: fan, cool, dry. Next is the timer. Timer means to automatically turn off the air conditioning unit after a certain time. Press the timer button, then press the up, plus, or down button. Next is this button, swing button. Swing button means to turn off or on the air swing motor. Next is this LED screen or LED screen. Displays the temperature of the air conditioning unit and the mode activated. So, if matulog mo, then dili na mo hapit ka kanang kapaong kay tungod sa kaduka. Then, you can use timer to automatically kanang turn off your aircon. So that's all, guys. So by the way, thank you to Mama Sel to kanang buy this aircon. So it's big talaga. Wala may nag-expect ba nga dako jud siya kaayo kay abi uban sad nga gamay niya, abi sad na mo gamay siya ba. So thank you Mama na jud our room is kanang na mubugnaw na jud kanang then na nami chance nga muputi. Char. So, thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the button bell below to ma-notify po kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ni Mama Cel. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye!
Bye!